Hello friends, today we solve another problem of array, and that is the kth smallest. So in question, given an array and an integer where k is smaller than the size of array. Here k is smaller than the size of array. The task is to find the kth smallest element in the given array. Okay, you have to find the kth smallest element in the array, and don't solve it using the inbuilt sort function. And here you have to not use inbuilt sort function to solve this problem. Okay, so here is your array, and you have to return the third smallest number. So first smallest number is 3, and second smallest number is 4, and third smallest number is 7. So you have to return 7 in this question. Okay, and in this array you have to return the fourth smallest number. First smallest number is 1, second smallest number is 2, third smallest number is 3, and the fourth smallest number is 15, and you have to return the 15. So to solve this problem, I am using the concept of priority queue. Okay, priority queue, and in that mean heap. I am using here the concept of the mean heap to solve this problem. Okay, how I can solve it? So first of all, I have to iterate the array. Okay, and I have to find out the third smallest element from the array. Okay, so simply I am doing here what I am storing all the elements in the mean heap, and the property of the mean heap is that the smallest element at the top of the mean heap among all elements. So simply, if all the elements are stored in the mean heap, so I am pop k minus 1 element from the heap, k minus 1 element from the heap. So the topmost element at the heap is your answer. Okay, so how can I do? So simply, first of all, you have to iterate the array, and here the element at the 0 index is 7. So simply push the 7 in the mean heap. Okay, and the next element is 10. So when you push the 10 in the mean heap, so the top element should be the minimum among 7 and 10, and among 7 and 10 the minimum element is 7. So 7 should be at the top. Okay, so 7 should be at the top. So i have to move I have to move the 7 I have to move the 7 at the top. Okay, so simply move it at the top, and after that 10, after that 10. Okay, in this way the mean heap is working. So the next element is 4. Next element is 4, and 4 is the smallest among 4, 7 and 10. So 4 should be at the top of the mean heap. And the next element is 3. Next element is 3. So 3 is the smallest among 3, 4, 7 and 10. So 3 is at the top of the mean heap. Okay, and the next element is 20, and 20 is the largest among all the elements, that is 3, 4, 7, 10. So 20 should be at the last of the mean heap. So I have to move all these elements one step up. Okay, so I have to move all these elements one step up, like this. Yeah, Yeah, one step up. Okay, so the last element is 20. Okay, so last element is 20 and the next element is 15. So 15 should be present somewhere here because it is less than 20 and greater than 10. So it should be in between 10 and 20. Okay, so in this way the elements are arranged in the mean heap, and you have to, after that you have to pop from the mean heap, and you have to pop k minus 1 element. Okay, you have to pop k minus 1 element. So k minus 1 means here 2. So you have to pop 2 elements. So simply 1 and 2. And when you popped 2 element, the topmost element at the heap, the topmost element at the heap is your answer. So third smallest element is 7. So in this way you solve this problem. So I hope you got the concept. So let's do the code. So first of all you have to do what, initialize a variable to store the size of array, and after that initialize a priority queue, priority queue, and priority queue should be mean heap. Okay, for mean heap we declare in this way: vector int and greater. Okay, after that int and its name is pq. So in this way we declare the mean heap. Okay, so after that iterate the array and push all the elements into the priority queue. So I is equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus, and simply pq dot push the element that is ar of I. So we simply push all the elements, all the element that is present in array into the mean heap, and after that you have to pop k minus 1 element from the priority queue. So for that you have to iterate priority queue and remove k minus 1 element from the priority queue. So for that I'm using here a for loop I is equal to 0, and I should be what, less than k minus 1. Okay, I plus plus, and here you have to do pq dot pop. Okay, pq dot pop, and after that you have popped two elements from the priority queue mean heap. Okay, and the topmost element, and then next topmost element is your answer. So you have to return pq dot top. Okay, in this way you have to solve this problem. Let's compile and run. Yeah, it is working. Let's submit it. Yeah, so I hope you got the concept of priority queue, how it is working. Okay, and how we declare the priority queue, and uh, how it is working. So I hope you got the code also. So thank you very much.